What's up there, Zane? Is that the monkey?
What's the monkey say? You don't remember? What's the monkey say?
Were the monkeys stealing sugar, Zane?
He's eating it. Do you see any more monkeys? What's over there, Zane? You see any more? There he is. Look at all those monkeys, huh? There he is. There's like 3 of them over there, huh? That one's got something in its mouth. Oh, there's another one. You're right.
Alright, buddy. Say bye to the camera. Bye.